Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn introduction letter B. Okay, let's start. This is uppercase B and this is lowercase b. Uppercase B, lowercase b. Okay kids? B is for ball. B is for boy. B-O-Y, boy. Okay, boy means ladka. B is for butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly means titli. B is for bat. Bat, bat. B is for ball. B is for boy. B is for butterfly and B is for bat. Okay kids? Let's write one standing line. Okay kids? Go to the top and draw one curved line. Draw another curved line. This is uppercase B. Okay. Draw a standing line. Okay. Draw a curved line. Okay kids. This is lowercase b. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.